हाय फ्रेंड्स एंड वेलकम टू दिस पॉडकास्ट बाय एंजल ब्रोकिंग। आज की पॉडकास्ट में हम डिस्कस करेंगे सम ऑफ द अपकमिंग शेयर मार्केट ट्रेंड्स। While any specifications of how the stock market will move cannot be guaranteed, smart investors overall trends को observe करके ही अपनी stock market price predictions बना देते हैं। Price predictions are the base on which traders अपने buy और sell decisions ले लेते हैं। Because the stock market is affected by a variety of factors, the trends that are likely to shape the market might have to do with the investor's mindset, with the ongoing pandemic, with new technology, and so much more. तो अभी फ़िलहाल कौन कौन से ट्रेंड्स जारी है जिससे देख के आप अपनी ट्रेडिंग डिसीजंस ले सकते हो, और कौन से ट्रेंड्स अपकमिंग है जिसके बारे में आप अवेयर रहना चाहिए। चलिए देखते हैं। Let's begin with observing the ongoing trends to see how they are likely to evolve into upcoming trends. Ongoing trend number 1, optimism around vaccines and a special focus on pharma stocks. Investors appeared keen to invest amidst a falling market, and for many investors, pharma stocks were the flavor of the day. लोग सिर्फ वैक्सीन वाली कंपनीज में इन्वेस्ट नहीं कर रहे हैं बल्कि इन फार्मा एज अ सेक्टर। कई एक्सपर्ट्स भी ऑन रिकॉर्ड आके बोले हैं कि फार्मा स्टॉक्स आर अ पोटेंशियली ROI ड्रिवन इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑप्शन. April has seen several mid-cap pharma stocks rise by anywhere between 15% and 36%. But does this warrant a guaranteed upward trend? No, it doesn't. Stock market remains a subject to market beliefs and conventions. Changes देखने को मिलते हैं इसमें with time. Ongoing trend number 2, a rather bullish market despite the overall depressing economic scenario. In the past, when stock prices began falling, widespread panic would follow, which in turn led to people dumping stock, thus driving share prices into the ground. 2020 में situation बिल्कुल अलग निकल गया. Whether we need to thank investor education programs such as our own, or whether there is another driving force to this trend remains to be seen. लेकिन एक बात बिल्कुल क्लियर है. Today's investor is learning to master his fear when investing in the stock market. Even amidst the worst of the pandemic, investments kept pouring into the stock market. As soon as stock prices fell marginally, investors would buy in, thus keeping prices somewhat stable. Thus, even amidst the worst moments of 2020, the stock market has avoided a bloodbath that many investors might have dreaded the minute that news of a real global pandemic began to register. तब तो pandemic शब्द किसको पता था? आगे क्या होगा? Are we just postponing the inevitable? ये अब डिस्कस करेंगे in our section called Potential for a Price Correction in Upcoming Trends. Chaliye, before that, let us complete the last ongoing trend, that is ongoing trend number 3, which is rising oil prices. If you are just getting your stock market bearings, आप सोच रहे होंगे कि connections का क्या है भाई, लेकिन at the same time आपको पता ही है how oil prices हर चीज़ को affect करते हैं. It has what you might call an all-pervasive effect. Just like how a lockdown affects everything. Your work-life balance, your exercise and diet, socializing and entertainment, everything. Oil prices affect logistics and therefore affect the world's international businesses. It also affects tourism, but tourism has been having a bad day since 2020, so let's not even go there. जब क्रूड ऑयल का भाव बढ़ जाता है, then the transportation of raw materials and goods become more expensive, increasing the cost of doing business and reducing profitability. The company's bottom line looks less attractive और फिर इसका असर stock market में साबित होता है. You will also be surprised to know the variety of products that actually use crude oil in their production or as their base. क्या आपको पता है कि पेंट्स का key ingredient oil है? क्या आपको पता है कि जूते के प्रोडक्शन में क्रूड ऑयल यूज़ किया जाता है? टायर्स के प्रोडक्शन में भी क्रूड ऑयल यूज़ किया जाता है. All your fuel is somehow linked to crude oil. A tiny increase in crude oil prices leads to inflation. Now, let's look at how these trends might play out as upcoming trends in the coming months. Of course, दोस्त, upcoming trends are a prediction. तो हम current situation को देख के assume guess कर सकते हैं ही ये trends आ सकते हैं या नहीं. लेकिन wait to see them play out before you take any concrete action. 1. Potential for a price control. Some experts are advising caution to investors, and many low risk investors too are wary of a market that remained bullish amidst a truly suffering economy. इनकी लॉजिक ये है कि the market is sure to correct at some point. In other words, stock prices are currently inflated and expected to fall. In addition, the rise in crude oil prices could also affect stock prices negatively, as discussed a few minutes ago. ये सिचुएशन में ज़्यादातर इन्वेस्टर्स जिसको सेफ इन्वेस्टमेंट स्ट्रैटेजी का प्रेफरेंस है, दे विल मूव अवे फ्रॉम अ ग्रोथ इन्वेस्टिंग स्ट्रैटेजी एंड गो विद अ वैल्यू इन्वेस्टिंग स्ट्रैटेजी. 2. IPO galore. There are almost 30 IPOs already announced for the coming months. An initial public offering is put out to invite funding from the public. It is usually undertaken to generate seed capital for expansion and breaking into new markets. This is expected to be a continued trend. In fact, even in 2020, during the December quarter, there were an astounding 19 IPOs held in the December quarter alone, generating close to $2 billion. IPO investment में investors do not have much stock price history to go on. लेकिन investors have the chance of buying shares of a company at a price that they may not see again once the shares go onto the market. 3. Fintech. Online broking firms like Angel Broking now give investors app-based easy access to the stock market. Investors के लिए share market access काफ़ी convenient और आसान है, like never before. एक और ट्रेंड है रूल बेस्ड ट्रेडिंग, जिसका टेक्निकल नाम है एल्गोरिदम बेस्ड ट्रेडिंग. इसमें ट्रेडर्स कैन यूज एल्गोरिदम्स टू मेक देयर जॉब ईजियर. Instead of manually studying all the stocks, shifting through enough data to give them a migraine, the investors with a little bit of tech background can set up algorithms that will clue them in on when to buy stocks and when to sell stocks. Without tech background investors के लिए भी solutions दिया गया है. They can just enter some instructions and the algorithm is created by today's advanced fintech solutions. In fact, these fintech solutions ने trading में थोड़ा democracy लेके दिया है. अब no matter your age, occupation and stock market experience, आप भी stock market investment कर सकते हो. Of course, ऐसे podcast सुन के थोड़ा पढ़ाई रिसर्च करना ज़रूरी है. Spare capital से ही invest करना है. ऐसे precautions लेके. लेकिन अभी you can invest easily. Investments in the securities markets are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.